had an interesting idea. I want to see if this is really a Roblox game. I've seen people on YouTube play, but are they just editing another Roblox game? Let's search. Be crushed by a speeding wall. Okay, let's go. This looks like the best so far because nothing else has any views, so let's play. Let's just play right now. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, MeatCat, and today I thought we'd do something interesting and be crushed by a speeding wall. Yeah, now I haven't told you guys that I now am doing a giveaway. Yeah, giveaways, those things where you give free stuff away. Free stuff. So 5 lucky comments will win, basically, oh, what the heck? But you'll basically win, like, you know, those little plushies, the little TY plushies. Yeah, 5 people in the comments. It can be any comment. A love comment, a hate comment, I don't care, but just 5 random comments will win TY plushies. And they're gonna be like mini ones. And if one of them is Dan TDM, I'll give him a pug. Yep. I'll buy a pug for Dan TDM. Not a real pug, but like one of those TY pugs. So, done with the giveaway. Let's get to the video. Okay, so basically the purpose of this video is to teach you to never get crushed by a speeding wall. Basically, that's all that I made this video for, but it's still gonna be fun being crushed by a speeding wall. Oh, it's speeding! It's speeding! Incoming! Ah! Oh! I slightly survived. What? No! You can't come back! What the frick? I hate that. I hate that. What the? What was that at the end? Giant bull. So my voice has changed over the week. I sound Irish now. Sound like Jacksepticeye. So, basically, if you guys are just tired of me playing Roblox, then you could just feel free to request other games in the comments. Because I'd definitely play them, no matter what game it is. Even if I can't download it and it costs money, I'll give my money to play the games that you... Oh, what the frick? It's so fast. Oh, I want to eat a balloon. Oh! Why does it make that oof sound? It's so weird. I don't get this. I just want to exit out of this, but we can't. Okay, he's getting tired. Let's go over to the safe zone. Let's see if the colors over that change as well. Yeah, it does! Like change everywhere. It crushes. It crushes. And it doesn't stop until the job's done. It's aggressive. It's freaking aggressive. I'm gonna kick. How did I survive? It like went through me. I love that. Let's go. Let me in. I can't get in. Oh, he's coming. He's coming. Oh. He's coming. He's coming. Here we go. Oh, no. No, not the meme face. The meme face is turned on us now. Evil meme face. I definitely think that the people who I watched on YouTube that play this are definitely hacking. Because they're like... Speeding wall was like happy like for a few minutes and they got to go to the safe spot. Mine just like waits a few Oh no. It's gonna come evil any second. I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it. You know what? I'm actually pretty oh! Yeah, I'm gonna die. Nope, but just kill me. I love how you just fall apart. God. I think that's the end of this video. And I just wanted to give a quick shout out to ILO1232. I'll leave a link down in the description below to his Roblox account. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!